Today, I would like to talk about some common myths in the field of astronomy. A myth is something that many people think to be true, but cannot be proven as true. There may be some things that you already know that are not true, and some that you did not know about as well. This video will highlight 6 myths that can be proven as not true. The first myth that I would like to talk about is that some people think that you can see the Great Wall of China from space. This is a popular myth due to the size of the Great Wall of China. While the wall itself is extremely long, the height and width is another story. The wall spans a total length of over 3,000 miles, but the width of the wall is around 12 feet wide and is only about 20 feet tall. In order for an object to be seen from space, it must be very wide, much like a whole country. Therefore, the Great Wall of China cannot be seen from space. The next myth is that birth and crime rates increase at a full moon. While a lot of people claim that things become crazy when a full moon is out, the reality is that there is no evidence to support that claim. The moon does not affect the Earth in some ways, such as the ocean tides and stability of the Earth's tilt, but not many how people behave. This next myth about the dark side of the moon is plain wrong. Yes, we can only see part of the moon from the Earth because of the way it orbits Earth. However, the part that we cannot see receives as much sunlight as the part that we do see. The moon experiences daytime and nighttime like we do here on Earth. This may sound confusing, but there is actually gravity in outer space. Yes, when in space, astronauts and spaceships do float as if there is no gravity. However, gravity is the reason the Earth orbits around the sun. Without it, we would be floating off in space, not going around the sun. Yes, it does not affect us nearly as much as it does on Earth, but it still exists in space. A popular conspiracy theory is that humans never landed on the moon. This is simply not true. We have the videos, moon rocks, and plenty of evidence that proves we did. If you could get a good telescope pointed at the right areas on the moon, you could find evidence of when humans walked on the moon still there. Finally, the last myth is that you cannot hear sounds in space. Yes, that means that all the explosions that you see in movies, such as Star Wars, would not be heard. The reason is that sound waves need a way to travel. In a vacuum of space, there is no way for sound waves to travel.